Hey friends, today let's learn some basic versus advanced terms. Number 1, first of all can be said as to begin with. Number 2, secondly can be said as subsequently. Number 3, for example can be said as to illustrate. 4, on the other hand can be said as conversely. It is important to note can be said as it's worth highlighting. Some people think can be said as a prevalent opinion is. Some people think can also be said as a prevalent viewpoint is. This means that can be said as this signifies that, this leads to, can be said as this culminates in. This is why can be said as this underscores why. Lastly can be said as last but not the least. Because of this can be said as owing to this. It can be said as one argues that. Last but not the least, this shows that can be said as this exemplifies that. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.